just getting started here by unfolding my puff pastry onto my muffin tin. Then you can see here that I'm gonna take my pizza cutter and I am just gonna nice and quickly cut those little sections where there's that little cup for the muffin, and then quickly you're gonna separate that just like so. Let's see if I can get that. And you'll start to push it right down in there. So we're putting the puff pastry just like this right inside of our muffin tin for this super easy and finger, I don't know, you'd say dinner, or perhaps you're gonna use this for an appetizer. Wait until you see what we are making today. Oh, this is exciting. So you can tell that we're just moving right along here. We got all of this puff pastry now right here into our muffin tin, and we are off to a great start. Now check this out. I have some beef tips here. You can use any type of pot roast that you want, and if you are all jazzed up to make your own, by all means do it, but we're going fast and easy today. So I'm gonna take 1 scoop of this pot roast and I'm gonna place it right into that puff pastry that we lined into our muffin tin. Oh, this smells so good. I can see all of that gravy is just gonna soak in with that puff pastry, and it is going to be absolutely phenomenal, you guys. This idea is such a hit. Everybody loves this. Okay, look, we have just enough. I'm gonna throw that in there just like that. Now I've got a little bit of peas and carrots, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna scoop that right on top of that pot roast, adding some delicious vegetables right here into this super fun meal idea, you guys. Tell me what you think of this. I was laying in bed last night and I thought, you know what? I think that this is gonna be fantastic, and here we are. Now to top it off and make it even better, I have some delicious mashed potatoes here. Oh, my favorite kind, Bob Evans. Do you guys make your own mashed potatoes? Do you like using these mashed potatoes? I don't know, you tell me all about it. Now we're gonna have a big whopping little spoonful right on top of this stew. So we have our pot roast, we have our little bit of our veggies, and now we're putting on some mashed potatoes, you guys. This is a one-stop shop right here. Everything you need is in this bite, and oh, I cannot wait to try this. Oh, it's so fun. You know, sometimes you just gotta switch up a normal pot roast and let's make it a little fun with a little twist, and these little bite-sized roasts are gonna be just so tasty. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some melted butter and I'm just gonna go along the edges of this pastry because I want it to get crispy and golden brown and so yummy. So you can tell I'm just kind of painting my way, doing a little bit of art, cooking and art. Or is cooking art? I mean, it kind of is, right? You're creating, you are being, well, we are always being creative over here, I guess, huh?
That's very true.
All right, you guys, we are moving right along. Now I have these little baby carrots just because I wanted to be cute. And look at this, I'm just gonna come in and I'm just gonna stick that carrot right there in the top, just like a little fun addition here. So you can just pick that carrot off. Oh, it's gonna be a little bit colorful and just adding to those delicious veggies that we have in there. That looks so good. All right, you guys, these look amazing. I cannot wait to try these. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes and stick around because I think you're really gonna love this idea. Yummy. Look at how fantastic those turned out. Oh, I love when the mashed potatoes get done like that on top. It's like seriously my favorite. Oh, and the little carrot, oh, how cute, you guys. This is just like a little basket right here of goodness, right? I'm gonna lift this right out and I'm gonna show you how it just makes a little cup for all of your stuff in there. Now here, let me just grab a plate here. We're just gonna take them out and place them right here on this plate. Oh, these look so good. Are you hungry? I'm starving over here. I smell that pot roast. Oh, it smells so tasty. Okay, that's all we can fit. Let's just go ahead, slide this plate over. You know what I really wanna do is I really just wanna cut one of these all the way open and I wanna see what the inside looks like, so that's what we're gonna do. We are just gonna cut this right down the center. Look at that, we're cutting through our mashed potatoes, our pot roast, our peas and our carrots, and bam, check it out. We have a little pocket of goodness and all of that stuff is just oozing right out. Okay, so now we're gonna have to give it a try. My favorite part is the fact that it makes this little cup where everything is being held together.
I love that idea. And it's so great for any time that you have a get together or you just want to switch it up. And the kids love this because, I mean, let's admit it, we really do like to eat with our hands, don't we? All right, you guys, I'm going in for it. Yum. Yes, so good. The puff pastry is done perfectly. The pot roast tastes amazing. The mashed potatoes. Yes, one-stop shop here, you guys. I hope you love this idea. Let me know what you're adding in. And if you are making your own pot roast, well, I give you major props for that. Maybe I'll try that next time. I hope you love this quick and easy meal, you guys, and we'll see you later.